Introduction to the cabbage soup diet. The cabbage soup diet gets a lot of flack and it has a mixed reputation, but unlike many other fad diets, there is a lot of credit here as the diet recognizes itself for what it is, and for that reason is only used 1 week at a time. While many fad diets can be dangerous if not done carefully, this particular one appears to take an honest look at the strengths and limitations of the program. The diet is basically a restricted foods, restricted calorie intake diet, the base of which is cabbage vegetable soup made with lots of veggies, while alternating foods on different days cause the body to go into overdrive to help burn calories. The soup is non-fat and is designed to eliminate food cravings during this low-calorie period. For 7 days an exact eating plan is followed. The promise is a 10 to 15 pound weight reduction, the vast majority of it in water weight, which is likely to return when normal eating resumes. While on this particular weight loss plan, it is recommended that you round out your nutrient needs with a multivitamin as the diet is nutritionally deficient. Because this diet is deficient, the general guideline for the diet is that you are on it for no more than 7 days and wait an additional 2 or more weeks before beginning another round of the cabbage soup diet. Furthermore, this diet is not sweet for children or adolescents. The cabbage soup diet can fall under the VLCD category, very low-calorie diet, and it's recommended that you consult with a doctor before starting on a diet plan such as this. Marketers of this soup diet plan will admit to the shortcomings in their diet. One recommendation is to use the psychological boost of rapid weight loss to motivate a person into a more steady conventional diet with steady weight loss of 1 or 2 pounds per week. The diet is difficult to follow. Many people have reported feeling lightheaded or unable to concentrate. Other common side effects include bloating and gas, as well as the boredom associated with a limited list of foods. At this time there appears to be no direct link between cabbage and burning fat. This diet accomplishes weight loss through restricted calorie intake and manages hunger through high fiber and high water intake. This diet on most days is severely lacking in protein, carbohydrates, and fats but can be very high in sodium. While meat is allowed on one day, that's still going to cause a deficiency throughout the week. Taking a multivitamin daily is highly recommended with this eating plan. Introduction to the cabbage soup diet. The cabbage soup diet gets a lot of flack and it has a mixed reputation, but unlike many other fad diets, there is a lot of credit here as the diet recognizes itself for what it is, and for that reason is only used 1 week at a time. While many fad diets can be dangerous if not done carefully, this particular one appears to take an honest look